Come here to have a meeting. What was regarding that?
As per the direction of the CEO, the political party meeting was held today with all the recognized and the unrecognized political party. It was regarding the issues related to elections and if there are any issues with regards to BLOs, BLAs, appointments of BLAs, or any other related to their constituencies.
How many parties were here?
Come.
Around 3 parties had come.
Which ones?
BJP, Goa Forward, and one more party.
Okay.
Congress.
I think I'll have to check which other party had this.
That anything else apart from that, sir?
No, it was a general brief meeting. Earlier, before this meeting, all the EROs had meetings with their local parties, as in the representatives of those parties itself, with regards to the local issues, constituency-wise. So after that meetings, the DO, meaning the collector, had a meeting, which overall had a preview of the issues with regards to the North Goa, all the constituencies in the North Goa.
Only North Goa.
North Goa.